Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Shanae767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful, and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly. I'm a freelance MUA, and my YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle, and everything makeup. Today's video, we are going to depot all your liquid into these small spray bottles. Now, if you're traveling MUA like me, I travel a lot. We call that freelance MUA. Normally, I used to bring all these large bottles with me when I'm going on a job, and this can take a lot of space in your makeup kit, and also it can be very heavy. And remember, back in my video, I want to cut down everything as much as I can, just to ease up the weight in my makeup kit and also the space. I've been watching a lot of YouTube video and a lot of MUA out there always cut down everything. So they have even small bottles for the foundation, even the setting powder they cutting down. So I want to start getting into that. So the first thing I decided to do is depot all my liquid into this small spray bottle. Now this you can get at Amazon or any beauty supply store in your city, in your state. Here in Dominica, they have a lot of that spray bottle. I purchased it for only $2 if you're interested in that. 2 Eastern Caribbean dollars, okay? And yeah, so let us get into this video and let me show you how I wash, sanitize, and prepare my spray bottle. So the first thing I do, I clean my basin, I wash it out, everything. Then after that is done, I fill it out with cold water. Never fill the basin with hot water, because remember, it's plastic, and if you put plastic in hot water, it will expand. So you fill it out with cold water. Then you use any liquid soap, and then I place like maybe 5 or 10 drops in the water. After that, I'm going to put in the bottles one by one. I dismounting it, all of them, from the cap to the cover, and yeah. After I soak it, making sure everything is nice and clean, I take a disinfectant spray and I spray all over the bottles, and then I left it to soak some more, and then I'm going to rinse it out after that, and then I'm going to leave it dry overnight. So now it is fully dry. As you can see, that's the next day. I'm going to take all this large bottle. I take all this bottle with me when I'm going on freelance, and then I'm going to depot into this small plastic bottle. And then I'm going to start off with my hand sanitizer. Of course, you need to sanitize, and I'm going to show you a few of how I depot it into the small bottle, and then I'm going to speed up the video. So that is it. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was very helpful for you if you're a freelance MUA or someone who just started into makeup and you have no clue what to do, how to start up your kit. The first thing I'm going to tell you, girlfriend, is you need to depot. You need to cut down on the products that you are carrying whenever you are freelancing, because it does take a lot of space in your makeup kit, and sometimes your makeup kit tends to be very heavy. So it's always good to cut down, and I'm so happy that I bring this. This is amazing. So I have basically my primer here, my setting spray here, the shimmering one. I have this one, my micellar water. At the back here, I have my 70% alcohol, what I use to sanitize my product before and after. I have my water if, let's say, I need to damp my beauty blender and the sink is too far away from me. I have my water in there, and then also have my setting spray as well. This primer is to prime the face, and the micellar water is basically to clean the client's face if they have any makeup, or if they have I will say like very dry skin. Basically, I use that to refresh the face as well. That is my preference, and this is a great investment. I do recommend that anybody who's starting up as a makeup artist or wants to learn how to deport or cut down on their makeup kit, that is a great start. So come with me in cutting down all my makeup down to the basically nothing that is there with me. Okay guys, once again, I did not invent it. There's a ton of video on YouTube on how to depot all your sprays, foundation, setting powder, even your moisturizer on YouTube, so go check them out, and stay tuned for more depotting video from Chanelly767. Mwah! All the best, my beautiful people. Peace, love always. Bye.